Chicken pilau always slaps, especially when it's served with some freshly made kachumbari or guacamole together with some chicken soup. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and simple way that you can cook some chicken pilau at the comfort of your home, maybe for your guests or for your family, and everyone is going to enjoy. The ingredients are very basic, and let's get cooking. This recipe has very simple ingredients. I have 2 medium diced onions. I have lots of fresh garlic and ginger, which is going to make the chicken pilau very flavorful and delicious. 2 seasoning chicken cubes, which are quite optional. I have my pilau spices, which is homemade. And if you want to learn how to make some homemade pilau spices or pilau masala, you can check up here or in the description box down below. Salt, and we have some good quality rice, and this is long grain basmati rice, and this is 1.5 cups. So you are going to start off by cooking your chicken, that is your free range chicken, for around 2 hours until tender. Mine is cooking, almost done, and the kitchen is smelling incredible. I added in 1 tomato and a few cloves of garlic while boiling the chicken. So as you can see, the soup is a little bit reddish in color. So I'm going to wait for the water to fully evaporate. Then I'm going to sear the chicken for around a minute. Meanwhile, you're going to wash your rice several times until the water runs clear. This is to get rid of the excess starch. This is how your chicken is going to be looking while searing, and you'll catch a very nice aroma. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon more cooking oil. Add in my onions. Then I'm going to cook together with the chicken for around a minute until the onions are soft and get a lovely golden brown color. The recipe is very simple, but the chicken is going to take a little bit more time since we're going to be boiling for around 2 hours until the chicken is nice and tender. You don't want to bite into a tough free-range chicken because it will be very hard for you to chew. When the onions are ready, you're going to add in your garlic and cook for around 30 more seconds until the garlic is very flavorful. Add in some seasoning cubes. Also, I have 2 chicken seasoning cubes, salt, stir up the chicken, stir in the seasoning, and the kitchen is getting that nice aroma. Then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Pilau Masala. Stir in. For that perfect brown pilau color, make sure to brown your onions. Don't add in any soy sauce because browning the onions is going to give the pilau a nice brown color. Also, cooking the spices is also going to add in a bit of color. So I'm going to toast the spices for around a minute, and this is going to make the pilau masala very flavorful. Once done, you're going to add in your washed rice. Toast your rice for around a minute, and this is going to add in a very nice smoky flavor which we want in our pilau. And also the rice is going to absorb in the pilau masala seasoning as it's toasting. I'll be checking the seasoning for more salt. So using the same cup, I'm going to measure out my water, and because I'm cooking 1.5 cups of rice, I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of water. You have to measure out your water for that perfect outcome. Stir up the water. Cover, and over medium-high flame, you're going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. So you're going to reduce the cooking oil a little bit if the free-range chicken is a little bit fatty. So I've added in a tablespoon only because mine was fatty. After 5 minutes, this is how my chicken pilau is looking, and I absolutely love. So I'm going to use a fork and fluff up my rice, and you can see it's perfectly cooked. My chicken pilau is ready and it's looking amazing. I absolutely love the color. Yes, this is what I was talking about. As you can see, the pilau has a very nice brown color, and we did not add in any soy sauce. Yes, the guacamole is very delicious, creamy, well seasoned, and we have a side of chicken soup which I scooped out after boiling my chicken. So this recipe is worth trying because each bite is going to be absolutely amazing. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.